Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always reveal my trade setup and my trade pairs. So this video is all about RSI divergence. First of all, we have two market structure, which is the bullish and the bearish market structure. So we have the bullish divergence and the bearish divergence. So I would like to list the types of bullish divergence and types of bearish divergence, but for this video I would like to do bullish divergence. So if you want me to do the bearish divergence too, can I see that on the comment section? So make sure you place a comment and tell me what you learned from this video and give your recommendations. Or if there are types of divergence that falls under the bullish divergence that I didn't mention in this video, I would also like to let you notify me in the comment section. Let's make this video interactive, and if any of these divergences have been helping you or has been helpful to you, I would like you to come back to this video and let us know in the comment section so we can know our best way to modify this video and make it reach out to more persons. We need to make money from this market. Everybody's goal here is just to make money, so why hiding updates from me? Or let's share the knowledge and make money together. So we have like 4 types of bullish divergences, of which this is the third one. We have the first one, which is like reversal pattern. The second one, which is like a continuation pattern. The third one, which is like a continuation pattern. So continuation pattern is like when the market is just in a bullish trend, you just keep looking out for those kind of bullish divergences that are for continuation. Even if you see anyone that looks like a reversal, don't take it. It will always fail. So that's it. So here is a chart. I prefer to use a line mode so that you will see clearly these divergences. So if you want to backtest this, make sure you use line to backtest. Then you can switch to candle to view what you have already done with your backtest. So first of all, you have to spot support and demand to know whether the market is in a downtrend or in an uptrend. If market keeps breaking your support, probably market is in a downtrend. But if market always holds onto your support and then breaks your resistances, then know that market is in a bullish trend. So first of all, this is a support. I would like to backtest from here. So if you prefer to go back to maybe like go back to previous data, that's up to you, but I'll just like this video to be as brief as possible and detailed. So make sure you are watching this video in a well conducive environment. If possible, save this video for later and watch it at midnight where everywhere is already calm, so you can get the best of this video. Lest I forget, make sure you click that subscribe button if you have not done that yet. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any of our upcoming hot updates. We have so much to share with you guys on this channel, so make sure you are part of this community. We also have a Telegram channel whereby any day I spot this divergence and I want to send a signal for a buy or for a sell, I also post it there on my Telegram channel, and I always drop my backtest. I post more on Telegram than on YouTube. So make sure you are part of Telegram community and you can go there and learn from the previous backtests and previous knowledges I've shared on the Telegram channel. So make sure you are fully part of this family. So you can see that market here was in a downtrend. So and market has already started gaining a kind of consolidation, of which is trying to generate momentum to either go the upside or the downside. So from this support area, we should find a kind of a reversal pattern divergence, which is like either an end pattern or a kind of the second leg will be lower. That is a significance of a reversal divergence. When on the chart the second leg is lower, but on your RSI divergence second leg is higher, it's a sign of a reversal pattern. But when the second leg is higher on the chart and on the divergence the second leg is lower, it's a sign of a continuation pattern. Just as simple as that. So watch the video and see how we're able to spot most of them. So here you can see that market has already gained enough momentum of the support zone and it's now giving us enough sign of an uptrend. So you can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's it. That's the significance of an uptrend. Market keeps breaking the resistances or the supply areas. So from here you try to find the previous low and the next high that market has already created. So from there, look at your charts. Make sure that when you're spotting divergence, it should be appearing on your 30 level, on the 30 level of your RSI. So on the RSI, I use the configuration of 70-30, or you can use 75-25 depending. 75-25 and then middle 50. That's what I use. and I prefer to use exponential moving average for that yellow tiny line here. You can see my configuration for my RSI. So that is the configuration. So in case you want to do that, I forgot to make that known in the video, so but that doesn't affect so much. I just want us to focus on the chart, and that's it for this video. So if there is any other thing I missed to show, I would like you to let me know in the comment section, and make sure that you watch this video and get the most of this video. Remember that doing analysis is one thing, then having a proper psychology, knowing fully well that this analysis that I've done will either play out or hit my SL. So the money management and the risk management is what will save you for any time this kind of divergence fails. Maybe you spotted the wrong divergence and you traded it and it didn't play out. So remember that you have to make sure that you protect your capital so that you can trade again when you spot another divergence. All divergences must not work out, but make sure that any day you have to take any trade, make sure you protect your capital by applying proper money management and proper risk management. And when the trade is in your favor, make sure you secure some profits, break even, and trade your SL. It's as simple as that. So enjoy the rest of this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section on anything I missed in this video. So probably this particular setup that you can see here that is playing out, I would like to use the photo as a thumbnail, or I'll attach this photo to my Telegram channel so that you will see the later of this particular trade that was already playing out. The trade already hit TP as of the time I'm recording this voice note. So the trade is already above the TP. It's already smashed the TP and is still way higher above from that TP level. So that's it for RSI divergence. I just spotted the few from this short time frame, and this is on a 1 hour time frame. So you can backtest this on other time frames, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.